I'm showing you the different type of bar graph. Here is the another program that I'm going to show to you. This is another pattern of the bar. This is another pattern of the bar graph. Just a moment. So in this bar graph, what has been done? You see this particular bar graph. There are the two list items has been given. Okay, this is the first list. This is the second list. First list is x and y. Second list I have named x2, y2. Okay, so plot bar, what I have given x comma y level bar 1, color is red. Okay, and plt bar x2 y2 level bar 2. Okay, by default, let's see what it is doing. Legends also I have brought here, because in your syllabus this I have taught you earlier also. All the things I have taught you earlier, but so specifically again I am teaching you. Your new syllabus, new range has been given to you. So these are the things that you require for it. So let us run it. Let's see what the output you are getting. Okay, so the output that you will going to get from here, see, this is the output. Now what I have given, I have, this is the legend. Okay, legend has been specified. This is the title. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Y-axis I have given an y. X-axis I have named as x. Okay, so bar 1 and bar 2. Bar 1 color I have specified, but see, you see, bar 2 color I didn't specify. So by default, what it will do, take, it will take the blue color of the bar 2. Okay, so what I have taken, two elements, two group of elements. This is an one group of element. This is an another group of elements. That means x and y is one group. This x2 and y2 is another group. Okay, so based on this particular group, what the bar 1 and bar 2 has been plotted here. So as bar 1 and bar 2 has been plotted, how they are plotting? They are plotting as I am calling it plt bar. See this line very nicely, plt bar. Then what, x comma y label, I, what the label name I have given, bar 1. Okay, so color equals to r, means red. Next one I said PLT bar. So if there is two level, then how you will going to specify them? PLT bar, then x2 comma y2 label equals to bar 2. So one is bars 1, one is bar 2. This way I have given the name of the particular thing, and as I have named it in a particular way, this particular name has been implemented here. Okay, so what I called it legend. So see, as soon as I call the legend function, by default automatically what it will going to do, it has called those two things. Okay, it has called those two things, that means plt bar x and y, plt bar x2 and y2. As soon as it call these two particular thing, your graph has been plotted in this manner. So this is how you find it, that the graph is plotting in this particular manner and you are plotting the graph. Okay, so this is also one of the pattern or one of the way where you can call the two different list item, and calling those two different list item, what will happen, you can plot the bar graph. So those the thing you remember them very nicely, because they are very important, otherwise you cannot plot it. Okay, how to plot, where to plot, how to label, how to give the title, how to give the legend. So those are the things has been specified here. Clear? So here those the specification what I have given you. I have called a legend function, I have called a title function, I have called an y level function, I have called the x level function, I have called the bar function, I have called two bar function here. So for that what I require, the main important thing, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So plt is required in this particular thing. I have named them as plt. Okay, so as I have named the plt, they, based on this I have called it plt, and both see here plt, 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 plt. Why plt? Because it is a pie plot. Okay, why plt? Question can rises that why plt? Examiner asks you why it is a plt, because I am calling here pie plot. So how to name a pie plot? PLT is a common